Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi Q5 key battery. It's a simple task that you can easily do yourself at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll only need two basic items, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring your key fob is working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Now, let's open up your key fob. Begin by finding the small silver release button, usually located on the side. Press this button firmly, and the emergency key blade will slide out. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small, narrow slot. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate, revealing the internal components. Take your time with this step. With the key fob open, you'll clearly see the old, circular battery nestled in its compartment. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently pry the old battery out. Pay close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your brand new CR2032 battery. Carefully slide it into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into position. Now, for the moment of truth, test your key fob. Try locking and unlocking your Audi Q5 to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.